CORE-LMS. Quick view, all of the things that we're going to look at will be in the resources, and what's on the left is the same as what's on the right in that resource. So when you are in your course, you will navigate to that resource tab in the course in order to open the resources. By clicking resources, we get the listing of all of the resources that are available to us in this course. The ones that are listed on the left side as a bookmark are the same as those on the right side. You'll notice that they are in the exact same order on left and right. So you can navigate either way, clicking on the left to open things or on the right. Towards the bottom of your resources will be the student ebook and the student PDF. The ebook is the interactive ebook that students can flip through and interact with. The student PDF is the one that you would use for making copies. Make sure that both of them are turned to yes so that they are active for students to be able to see. As you navigate through these resources, they are the same order and organization, whether it's a first grade science class or a fifth grade science class. And again, left and right are the exact same. If we click on Teacher Resources, this is where you'll find your year at a glance, your benchmarks, your strategies, unpacking the standards, and the other information that you need to teach your science course. The next item is the HMH 5th grade level resources. And again, these are the resources for the teacher. In the teacher support, that's where you will find your full teacher ebook so that you don't have to carry the heavy book home each day or week. Under core instruction is again another listing of that student's ebook and that PDF. Within this section are also the extensions, video projects, and assessment ideas, references, as well as professional development for you as a teacher to help you to plan and prepare as you teach the different concepts, and the Google Expeditions. These provide you a lesson plan as well as the name of the expedition within Google Expeditions to run in the classroom. In HMH, the naming convention was similar with using units as opposed to chapters or sections. So within your core resources, teaching unit refers to the unit that you teach and in the order that you will teach them. So teaching unit 1, 2, 3 go in order. When you click on teaching unit 1, you'll notice that the color map is the first thing in that list. And when you click on that color map, it will open it up so you can see all of the resources, the big ideas, the learning goals, all of the information that you need for teaching that teaching unit. All of the links have been updated to make sure that they work, and you can click on them from right here within the color map as you used to do before. So for example, we can open up those bell ringers by clicking on that link. If we go back into the unit, we'll notice that all of the things that were highlighted, all those links that were on the color map, are listed individually within the resources. So you don't have to go to the color map in order to click on them. You can click on them from right here within the resources. And again, there's those bell ringers. And when we click on it, it opens within the core. Notice it's the exact same one we opened from the color map. And if we want it in a larger version, we can click on the link and that will open it in a new tab. At the bottom of the resources as they're listed in the core, you'll find your depth of knowledge with your standards so that you can look into them deeper, as well as the HMH units that correlate to the teaching unit. And when we open up the HMH unit, these again are organized in the same way regardless of grade level. It gives you the lessons that are attached to each one of these, and when we open up a particular lesson and the resources that go with it, we now have focused information on that lesson. So this teacher ebook and this student ebook are simply that lesson 1 in that unit, as opposed to the entire teacher ebook or the entire student ebook. Again, these are organized in the same way regardless of grade level. The units are in order that you will teach them according to your year at a glance map. And again, when we open them, our HMH is at the bottom within each of those teaching units. Additionally, there are unit level resources, and this gives you those additional items that are listed in purple or referred to in the book, the practice and review, those extension activities, and those things like the Use Solve It interactive activities that you can assign to students. To assign things to students, you'll be using your plans and adding those resources there. Please see the CORE-LMS YouTube channel for videos on how to add resources from the course and how to set up your play plans for students to be able to see and interact with those activities. On the overview page, you have an option with a sticky text box. This will allow you to either write notes or information for students to see on a regular basis, as well as place the student ebook there for easy access for students to just simply click on this page to get to it.